Today we are going to make this pouch, which clips on to the belt buckle, purses, keychains, anything. And it is a keychain in itself. What you will need are this snap tool, snaps, a keychain, and if you don't have the snap tool and snaps, you can get the sewn-on snaps. You see, these are pretty rusty because I've had them in my sewing box for years. But if you don't have this, you can get this and sew them on by hand. So you want to start with a piece of material, rectangular size, cut it any size you want. And we're going to sew around the whole perimeter on the edge. Then you want to cut a piece for your inside or outside pocket, whichever way you desire. That's the piece for the pocket and the lid or the closure. You want to fold it in half and cut the top at a 75-degree angle. Just cut the top part off to make it diagonal. I'll show you when I do it. Now we're going to sew this part to the pocket, right sides facing each other. Then we're going to put snaps on it. So now that we have our changed pocket and flap sewn together, and the wallet sewn together, or pouch, we are going to add a snap, not snapped, a snap. So these are our pliers for adding snaps. So this goes at the top. Oh, I have to change these. Now that I have the correct hardware in place, I'm going to and then, since this is going to be at the top, girl, if you don't stay in there. Make sure you get it in the middle. I should have marked it, but here we go. Now the snap is at the top, so we can snap down like that. Now we're going to put the other part in. The teeth goes in the bottom. If I can get it to stay in there. And this part goes with the little side facing the top. There we go. Now you got your change purse section. Now that I put snaps on both ends of the wallet, I'm going to sew this on the back. Make sure you sew it in the middle. We're going to sew the open sides and the bottom, not the top. You want to open your top. And we're going to do a straight stitch over the zigzag. I did a zigzag because this pure suede looks more masculine with the zigzag and this pattern. Come on, bobbin. See that bobbin? That bobbin acts strange sometimes. I think it deliberately tries to stress me out. So my kids, just because I was a seamstress and a tailor, my kids never went to school with too long of pants, too short pants, the zipper missing, button missing. My older son, he lives in Cincinnati. We were talking, and he's like, I have to take my pants to the tailor to have a button put on. I said, do you know how to put a button on? He said, yeah, but I want to dump the button. I said, I can do it. He said, nah, I need it done real this week or something. I was slightly offended. I didn't tell him, or I think he probably realized, like, dang, my mother's a seamstress and a tailor. I said, just bring it to me. You can save money and time. He said, it'd just be $5 or something. I was like, you can buy yourself a pack of gum with that $5, a drink for lunch. So, surprisingly, when he came down the next week, he brought the pants to me. And I put a button on in less than 3 minutes, but baby, you better use me while I'm still on this earth. Now we have I need to close this curtain. We have the pocket, the change pocket on the outside. Now we're going to close up the bigger part of the wallet or pouch, whatever you want to call it. Don't forget to sew your label on, if you have one, before you sew the wallet closed. Now we're going to sew the sides of the wallet, and then we'll almost be done. So we are going to do a straight or running stitch, and then we're going to do a zigzag or over stitch to keep it closed. Now it's time to put the final piece on, the keychain. I really wanted to use these, but I've been struggling trying to get these on, so I have to research them more. So, and I wanted to use these too, but that would be for another show. So I have to use these, the snaps, and improvise. Here we go. I hope I'm strong enough. Really? Seriously? 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 Now I have to find that piece. Now, hopefully. So I had to go like this. Now I have to open it with this tool. was open. Now I can either put this keychain through or this. This is quickest way. And clip it on your pants. But this is a more secure way. Putting the keychain through. Come on, child. Oh, I see. You want to make it difficult for me. Okay. Nope, don't have it yet. Okay, I had to turn the camera off and show the wallet who's boss. So I got it. So this is the men's little boy's keychain and change purse, or change area. We don't want to call it change purse, I guess. Change area, wallet. You can put your dollar bills in, credit cards, key, or you can put your key on the keychain or in here. Much money, whatever. There you go. This will be on my Etsy shop for a deep discounted price. Did I tell you I love the smell of real suede and lambskin leather? See you next time.